Even a teacher wants to relax sometimes, just as long as the students don't notice. Time for exams! While studying, students forgot how to rest, and the dark circles under their eyes start to look like black holes. It's almost morning, but I haven't even slept at all. How can I show up like this? A special sleeping mask will help you. Put the mask on and go to bed. You will need a piece of thick plastic and a paper template of a mask. Fold the plastic in half and trace the pattern on it. Cut it out. You should get 2 pieces like this. Take a flat iron and seal the edges of the mask. Insert dry gel crystals. Fill the mask with water. Seal it with a flat iron and leave it overnight. During this time, the hydrogel will soak and completely fill the space. Decorate the mask with rhinestone ribbons. Lay out shiny eyes. Fasten satin ribbons at the edges of the mask. Store the mask in the fridge so it can have a cooling, soothing effect on your skin. The gel mask hides the effect of a sleepless night, tones your skin, and eliminates dark circles under the eyes. Well, that's better! College brings people together, and you make friends you'll keep forever. Right now, Fate brought together a party queen and Miss Nerdy. The party queen was out all night and she can't wait to talk about it. But the nerdy girl is busy and she asks her friend to let her study in peace. All this disrespect makes the party queen fall asleep right at the desk. But sleeping on her arm was a bad idea. Thank goodness the nerdy girl has a special cushion for sleeping. You need a few pieces of felt. Cut 2 identical circles from brown felt. Hot glue them together. Leave a small hole for stuffing. Fill the cushion with synthetic stuffing. Hot glue the cushion shut. Cut a figure with jagged edges from a piece of peach felt. Cut a smaller piece from white felt. Finish the composition with strawberries and green leaves. Hot glue the decorations to the pillow. Draw black seeds on the strawberries with a marker. Fasten an elastic band on the reverse side. This delicious pillow is really what sweet dreams are made of. The queen puts the pillow on her arm. Oh yeah! The softness of the felt immediately takes her to dream world. But the sleepy virus is pretty powerful. Perfect timing for trying out a funny idea. Take a brush and white paint. Paint her upper eyelid. Now take darker paint and draw pupils. Careful, she could wake up anytime. Carefully draw a row of eyelashes. Draw highlights on the pupils with white paint. Well, if she wasn't snoring, no one would have guessed anything. Put her glasses on her nose. The disguise of the sleeping student was a success. This iconic moment deserves a commemorative selfie. Oops! After one awkward movement, she wakes up. Did I fall asleep? That is absolutely impossible. Show her the pictures. Oh no! I'm so embarrassed. I'll never graduate with honors now. Come on, the trick worked. No one noticed. The girls haven't seen each other all weekend, which means it's time for hugs. Oops, what are these sheets? Yes, my friend forgot to buy a notebook again. Don't worry, we have an idea. You need a clip and a rubber band. Stack the separate sheets. Take the paper clip and the rubber band. Pull the band through the hole. Attach the clip. Pass the second end of the band through the next hole. Connect the ends of the rubber band with the clip. This is a handmade notebook. You can even adjust the number of sheets. And here's a life hack for textbooks. All you need is a paper clip and an eraser. Put the paper clip on an elastic band. Open the book on the right page. Pull the elastic like this. You get a simple but easy to use bookmark. Now you don't need to spend hours trying to find the right passage in your book, because the paragraph where you left off reading is marked with the clip. Mathematics is the queen of the sciences. To get a good score, you'll need to know all the formulas and theorems, and keep your compass with you. It's hard to make a round circle without a compass, but if you have some paper clips, you can make something work. Connect the clips to each other. Secure the position of the center of the circle with a marker. Insert the pen in the second clip and move it in a circle. So that there is no dot in the center of the circle, use a pencil instead of a marker. The radius of the circle depends on how many clips you use. Don't expect high accuracy from such a compass, but it'll be pretty close. Students love using highlighters. You can see right away where the important stuff is and what you don't need to read. Hang on, are you using your highlighter right in the book? The librarian will go crazy when she sees your textbook. Don't worry, I have everything under control, and the book page is protected by this safe case. So you don't mark up the pages, get a piece of transparent plastic. Cut a piece of the right size. Fold it in half. Cover the top and the bottom with decorative tape. Put the plastic on the page. Mark the lines with a marker. The marker colors the transparent cover, and the book stays blemish-free. When you don't need this page anymore, you can just erase the highlighter marks with a cotton pad. The ability to take notes correctly is the key to a successful exam. You need thick markers, masking tape, and scissors. Cut off a piece of tape and fasten it to the body of the marker. Write the word "date" on the marker. Label 2 more markers with the words "name" and "period." Write down whatever you need in your notes. Underline the important names and dates with markers. If you know what a particular color means, it'll be easier for you to figure out your notes and find whatever information you need. Girls, meet your new geography teacher. Wow, she seems like she's not going to go easy on us. We are not allowed to joke around or cheat on our homework. What can we do? Take notes and learn the capitals of countries. What about recess? I'm already hungry. What recess? We haven't studied all the secrets of the Mariana Trench yet. Okay, I have to do something sneaky. You will need a long straw and a bottle cap. Burn a hole in the cap. Insert one end of the straw in it. Screw the cap on a bottle of soda. A secret soda supply is ready. Here comes the second part of the conspiracy. Take a hardcover notebook and some Elmer's glue. Coat the ends of the pages with glue. Secure them with paper clips until they are dry. Choose your favorite snacks and pick a place for each one. Go over the outline with a pencil. Use a ruler and a box cutter to make cuts along the lines. Take out the cut paper. Put cookies and chocolates in the hollows. You made a perfect hiding place for delicious secrets. If you can't go on break, then the break will come to you. You have no choice but to eat right during class. And while you try not to rustle your candy wrappers, your friend drinks soda through a straw. After all, knowledge is better absorbed on a full stomach. These friends are so different from each other that even their diet is completely different. The nerdy girl prefers a hamburger. And the party girl prefers fresh fruit, so she can keep training for a party marathon. Summer is right around the corner. But there is one thing that unites them. Both girls love watching food videos on YouTube. But holding the phone is so inconvenient until one girl quickly finds a solution, a stand made from binder clips. Take the phone and 2 binder clips. Bend one of them like this. Place the handles of the second clip inside. Return the first clip in place. Move the gripped handles to the raised position. Put the phone on the stand. How have we never thought of this before? The girls are so busy watching their video that they don't notice a catastrophe about to happen. One of them accidentally knocks a glass off the table. What did you do? My jeans are wet and my class starts in half an hour. Don't worry, we'll fix everything. Clear off the table and let's start the rescue operation. You need a hairdryer and a couple of books. Press the leg of the jeans between some books. Dry the jeans with a hairdryer, directing the hot air into the leg. The jeans will be dry again in no time at all. The main thing is making sure the dryer does not overheat. Well, let's all put your jeans on and let's run to class. Did you like our student life hacks? Which of them could be useful to you in school? Let us know in the comments. Like, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends. And don't forget to press the bell if you don't want to miss all the most interesting things on Troom Select.